Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your Fantasy Premier League FPL team name quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Fantasy Premier League account. You can use either the mobile app or the official website, but for this tutorial, I'll be walking you through the web version. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main FPL dashboard where you can see your team setup and options. From here, look for the Pick Team option. This is where your current lineup and team name are displayed. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page. On the lower right corner, you'll see the Admin section. Inside this section, click on Team Details. Now you'll be taken to the Team Details menu. Here, you'll see an input box with your current team name. Simply delete the old name and type in your new one. Just remember, your new name should follow FPL's naming guidelines. While you're here, you can also customize your team kit design. Pick different colors, styles, and patterns to make your team look exactly how you want. Once you've finished updating your team name and customizing your kit, scroll down and click on Update Details. This will save all your changes instantly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more FPL tips, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching and good luck this season.